More systematically, I am giving you the brief method of meditation. I don't want you to make noises so that others are disturbed, okay? Punctually every day, at the same time, sit in a calm and quiet corner of your house, keeping your head, neck and trunk straight. Now gently close your eyes. Mentally survey your body. Is your head, neck and trunk in a straight line? Let you serve your whole body systematically from head to toe and then from toe to head. Your body is comfortably steady. Now you are paying attention towards your breath. Your mind is flowing with the flow of your breath. There is no noise, no obstruction. Your breath is not shallow, it's deep. You are not creating a large pause between inhalation and exhalation. It's not jerky, but it's smooth. Let you push in your abdomen and exhale. Inhale and let your abdomen come out. Don't force it. Use your little bit of force when you push in your abdomen. That helps your diaphragm to push in your lungs in exhaling and expelling that which is not needed. Let you form this habit. Now, when you are exhaling that is not needed in your system. Exhale all your negativity, fears, problems, pains and miseries. Inhale fresh energy from the cosmos. Fill up your whole being with that energy. You are just being aware of this fact that when you inhale the energy, and you exhale that which is not needed. Your whole body is fully relaxed. Let your mind flow with the flow of your breath. Now let your mind pay attention on the center between the two nostrils, the bridge between the two nostrils. Let your both nostrils flow freely. You are feeling the breath that you are inhaling and exhaling. Now let your mind be focused on the space between the two eyebrows called Agnya Chakra. Here you are allowing yourself to understand your thoughts. Any thought that comes before you, you should learn to let go. You have a body, but body is your growth instrument. You have senses and breath. They are your instrument, but mind is your finance instrument. You are not body, senses and mind. You are seated beyond body, breath, senses and mind. You are not identifying yourself with your body, breath and mind. Your essential nature is peace, happiness and bliss. Now, you are remembering your mantra. Your mantra is leading you to the silence. You have started listening to the mantra coming from the space or center between the two eyebrows. Your tongue is not moving. Your mind is not remembering but listening to the mantra. Mantra is leading your mind to the silence. Your mind is following the sound of your mantra. There you find yourself free from all superimpositions. Again, you have started listening to your mantra. Then, remembering your mantra, you are paying attention towards your breath again. Your body is fully relaxed. Gently open your eyes. Peace, peace, peace. I pray to the divinity in you and God bless you. Now you can go inside, come back, the same method, and slowly and gradually you can increase your capacity. Don't change the methods of meditation again and again, or then you cannot train your mind. This is important.